warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Devin Karesha Intan Febia with student ID number 2024-2016X from the Information System Department. So in this presentation, I will explain my forecasting practicum using the ARIMA method with daily weather data obtained from the OpenMath API. Okay. The first, I have import library and imported all the libraries need from this project. The request library is using to retrieve data from the API, and the PADAS if using to process and organize the data into a data frame, and NumPy help with numerical calculators, and Matplotlib is using to visualize the data. It also imported mean, squared error to evaluating the forecasting model using RMSA and ARIMA from the stat model library to build the forecasting model. Okay, and next, retrieve data from the API. I collection daily weather data using to OpenMath API. The dataset contains the daily maximum temperature in Jakarta from January and to April. The data returned by the API is in JSON format. Yes. So I need to be processing before analysis. Okay, next, convert the data into a data frame. After retrieve the data, I confirming the JSON data into a PADAS data frame. I select two columns, date and temperature. Then I convert the date column into the date time format so it can be confirmed as time series data. This and the output, date and temperature. Okay, the next, display dataset information. After that, I using to into function to display information about the dataset, include the number of round, data types, and where the data was successful load. Yes. And the next, I have the descriptive status. I using the descript function to generate descriptive statistic. This provide information such as the mean, minimum value, yes, minimum value, max, and standard deviation, and other statistical summary of the temporal data. Okay, the next, I check for missing value. I check whether the dataset contains anyway missing value using the is null and the sum fraction. The step is important because missing data can affect to a performance of the forecasting model. Yes. Okay, the next, I have data visualization. Yes. Okay, in creating a line chart using Matplotlib to visualize the daily maximum temperature over time. The visualization help us understand the overtime pattern and trend of the data before building the forecasting model. This daily maximum temperature data. Okay, the next, split the dataset into training and testing data. The dataset was then defined into two parts, training data and testing data. The training is using to train the ARIMA model, while the testing data is using to evaluate its prediction perform. And next, I have built the ARIMA model. In this step, I create the ARIMA model using the parameter this one. The model was training using the training dataset to learn to historical patterns of the temporal data. Okay, the next I have generate forecast. After training the model, I generate prediction from the testing dataset. This prediction follows this, were later compared with the actual data, evaluate and the model accurate. Okay, the next I have calculate RMSA. I calculate the root mean squared error or RMSA, measure the prediction error from the model. A lower RMSA value indicates before forecasting perform. And the next is visualizing the forecast result. And then I display a graph showing the data training. Is the data training, lalu testing that and forecast result. The visually help comprehend the prediction followed with the actual data. Yes. And the next, I have forecast the next period. After evaluating the model, I using into the forecast the maximum temperature from the next 11 period. These predictions are based on the historical patterns learning by the ARIMA model. This output. And the next, the final, save the result to the Excel. I save both the original dataset and the forecast result into a single Excel file. This forecast temperature ARIMA. The file contains two worksheets and original data and forecast, making it easier to organize and review our result. Maybe that is the explanation of my forecasting practicum using the ARIMA method. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.